Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to cancel your Smartsheet account on your iPhone. So there are two ways to do this depending on how you signed up. So just follow along. So method one is to cancel inside the app. So first, open the Smartsheet app on your iPhone. Now, once you're inside the Smartsheet, tap your profile icon in the top corner, then go to settings. Now, once you're in settings, you need to scroll down and tap on cancel account below rate us in the App Store. Now, in here it says your account will be canceled immediately. You'll lose access to any sheets and projects you've created, and your assets will be permanently deleted after 30 days. Next, once you understood the rules, tap cancel account again to confirm. Click on proceed. After that, your account will be canceled and you'll be logged out. Now, method two is to cancel via Apple subscriptions. So, if you subscribe through Apple, here's what to do. So, open your iPhone settings. Now, once you're in settings, tap your name at the top to access your Apple ID. Then tap subscriptions. Next, look for Smartsheet in the list. Once you found it, tap it, then tap cancel subscription and confirm. So this will stop future charges. Now, keep in mind that after canceling, your files may become read only and could be deleted after some time. So, also, if you're part of a team or company account, you may need admin access to cancel. And that's basically it. That's how you cancel your Smartsheet account on iPhone. So, if this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. And that's it. Thanks for watching.